Alright guys, SATX DIY Sean White here. Got something fun for y'all today. Got this Philips Sonicare toothbrush that we've had for I don't know how many years. It won't turn off. I don't know what's wrong with it. Went and bought a new one. I'm gonna try to turn this thing off. Gotta try to open it up. Looks like we got some space on the bottom where that might come out. I'm gonna be able to pull this guy out up here. Might be able to dig into where the buttons are at. So let's see, where do you want to start, kiddo? The button. So we're gonna take this little guy here. Take that button out. That's why I'm doing it out here, make a mess. Okay, maybe from here. So that doesn't come out. Go for the top next?
Yeah.
This little spot. Dig this part out. Just the gasket. Grab these pliers here. It's not happy. Looks like it comes out. Oh, look, it's mad. It's yellow.
It turned off?
That's the button. Turns it on and off.
You see.
It's not happy. Problem is getting in that little bitty spot.
Yeah.
I don't know if I got anything thin enough to get in that little bitty spot that I can safely not slice my hand off with.
Really is sharp.
Okay, so I can get in that groove. I can get in that groove like this. Bend it till you break it. Just want to get down to the battery so it doesn't mess up. Well, didn't really ever use that piece. Put that back in there like that never happened. Fix that later. All these limited tools that I've had for years, you know. This one's broken from time. This one's broken from time. All else fails, there's a screwdriver here. Let's see.
What's so weird?
I see a battery in there. That's what I want to get out.
Is it the green?
Yeah, the green thing.
Is that copper?
That's a coil. So that coil wraps around that. And it's the charging coil. Since the base had that little piece in it. Make a mess, make a mess, make a big old mess.
Just push it in. That's it.
Don't puncture the battery. We'll pick up the pieces later. Let's see, basically it just vibrates this. Feel it. It's not gonna shock you. It's weird feeling, right?
Yeah.
It's getting really hot because it's a motor. And what I don't want to do is puncture this battery because it's a lithium ion.
What does that mean?
See that lithium ion? That's what we don't want to mess with. You do something wrong with that one, like puncturing it, and it can start a fire.
Oh.
Exactly what I'm trying not to do right now. Throw lithium ion battery out and a dirty, dirty mess.
Yep.
But I want to properly dispose of this. So all these motor parts are going to go into the trash. Got tortoises in here. It's winter time. Throw that away. Have to clean my hands off. There's our tortoises. You got Tomasita here. You got Mr. Jordan over there. You got Corner here. And then we got one named Scuttle. You can probably figure out why, because do you see a 4 tortoise in here anywhere? Yeah, Scuttle likes to dig and be buried. This is my shop that I work in. It's a 12 by 10 shop. I have the tortoises in here. Have CNC that collapses down. Tortoises are in here because I have the mini split 68 degrees right now, since it's 22 degrees in San Antonio today. They survived the nights. The only problem with this shed is the floor is not insulated. I see all my motors down here. I thought I dropped parts of that. But yeah, pool chemicals, extra nuts and bolts, extra computer, extra wheels for those lawnmowers that I make. Need to get back into doing that. But yeah, got that lithium ion battery out. That's the dangerous guy right there. If you puncture that, that can start a fire. But that's tearing apart, not to fix a toothbrush. Now I can dispose of it properly.